Hi guys, welcome back. I am, as always, late with everything. I've got to stop saying that because we're on track now. Anyway, I have the Simon Says February 2023 card kit, and it arrived on Valentine's Day, which I thought was kind of funny. So I've already unboxed it because I wasn't sure how I was going to do this video this time around. For the time being, this is actually going to be my last Simon Says card kit, but I will still showcase all the different stamp sets as and when I sort of need those stamp sets. I will, and dies, and the embossing folders, all those bits that I've been able to keep stencils to, and showcase them in different projects. It's just the way it goes sometimes. So for now, it's, I might be back, so don't worry about that. So for this card kit, there is some really pretty things. So we have our inspiration sheet, and I will try my best to actually find the wording for all these things. You know what I'm like, slow reader. So first off, there was a candy in here. It's just we came home from work one night and my cat had ended up dragging it downstairs, so I had to actually put it up in a somewhere higher so he couldn't get to it. But anyway, can't have him eating that. So first of all, you get a tri-blend. This is a Crafter's Companion tri-blend pen, and I've never used them before, so this is going to be kind of fun. It is an alcohol pen. I did check that, and it does actually say it on the packaging, but I couldn't work this out for the longest time. I don't know why. And basically you have 3 colors that will blend together in the, so that you get a nice blend on your artwork. So you get one of those, and this is in the color magenta. So I thought that was cool for Valentine's and love. And then there's a Simon die here. It's obviously says love, but it's got like a scripty, kind of a groovy style of the word love. And then there's an outline as well, so you can do a shadow on it with some vellum or some different color cardstock, which is very, very cool. So we have that. Then we have a couple of envelopes. So this is I want to say white, and this I think is the doll pink. Yeah, doll pink A2 envelope and a white envelope, both Simon. So that's handy. We then have 2 pieces of these are Tim Holtz. They're like adhesive glitter. This is super smooth. It's really weird for glitter paper, but it's very cool at the same time. And these are the Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas Deco sheets. So it's 1 red and 1 gold. So very cool, but they are very like glittery, shimmery, but very smooth for glitter. So I'm looking forward to actually trying that, because some came in the January kit and I still haven't used that. And then there's some holographic rainbow paper. You get 6 sheets. Say that 3 times fast. And they're A2 size, so they're 5.5 by 4.25, and they're just like a rainbow holographic. I think I've used this before in some other videos. I sort of embossed that, and that looks really cool. So there's 6 sheets of that. There's a little gift thingy. Then these papers come from, let's get this right. They come from 6 double-sided sheets of Paper Rose Cozy Days 6x6 paper. So these are cool. I had a look at these. They kind of got like a sheen on them. Oh yeah, you can pick it up there. So it's not like a matte finish, but they're very nice. I like them. This is very pretty. And double-sided, of course. This is adorable. I love this. I love woodlandy kind of things. And then there's this sort of kind of like an ombre sort of thing, but it's got like a little I don't know what you call it, a little, I want to say scratch marks, but it's like just in a paler colour. And then some hearts. These are cute. I would probably use this side. That's just me. Let me turn this around because these look like they're upside down. Another ombre one, but with lines across there. Again, very pretty cardstock. And look, food. Who doesn't love food? Really sweet. Haha. And then this almost looks like little raindrops, but that could be really nice for someone who just needs a pick-me-up. And coffee and cocoa. Oh, I miss those things. And then another one of the same as the rainbow one at the beginning, but this is more in, you could use this for like autumn cards as well, I reckon. And then almost like a rainbow random kind of dot pattern, which is very cool. A nice ombre pinky colour, and then some autumnal kind of leaves on the back. I'm trying to speak like a person today. That'd be nice. Right, so that's it, 6 double-sided. I feel like there were more there, but anyway. And then there is a Simon Says, I don't know what this one's called, but it's a heart stencil. Oh, Hearts and Stars. Apt. Hearts and Stars stencil, and it's just a cool background stencil. It's like a 6x6 stencil. It's very cool. I'm in love with it already. The stamp set I will get to in a second. I just want to go through this stuff. This is another mesh bag that comes with the kit. There was a red one. I don't know if every kit came with a red one. And then this is actually like double-sided tape, I want to say. Yeah, but it's like a full sheet of double-sided adhesive, which I think is kind of handy for a lot of things if you want to use your die cuts and things like that. And then you get a sheet of Nina 110 Doll Pink, and this colour is Royal Purple, and it doesn't look as purple in the camera as it does in real life, but it's a really nice purple. Purple's my favourite colour. Anyway, so the best part of any kit for me from Simon is the stamp set. This is called Sweet Days, and it literally has sweets for your sweet on them. So there's a couple of donuts, there's like one of these, what are those things, break your teeth candy things that we used to get all the time. And some, you could have like chocolate covered strawberries. Is that like a peppermint thing? So you could use that at Christmas. You could use that at Christmas too. Another little donut, and then like another sucker thing here, or lollipop. These are like those, they look like those sherbety type ones. I don't know what they're called, but anyway. So, and then there's some really lovely little sentiments in here. I don't know what I'd do without you. Thank you very much. Boom boom. Hey sugar. It's so sweet. Pardon and pun. So yeah, I love it. I think it's, oh, and there's a little border down here. I didn't even see that. Like a border of hearts. That'd be cool if you just used the border in different colours and made your own background. Super easy. And if you use something like a stamp tool, a stamp platform, you could, if you position it right, you could kind of move your cardstock up as you do each colour. Awesome. Or just start with one colour and just move your cardstock up and let the ink fade, kind of like an ombre. So there's an idea for you. So I will make something with these. Obviously we're already in February and Valentine's Day's gone, but I will create stuff for you guys. So yeah, I will be back soon. I am sad that this is my last Simon for a while, but I love their kits. So if you are thinking about it, or you're on the fence or something like that, I would say go for it. It really is good. And their customer service is fantastic. So shout out to Simon Says and everybody that works there. So until next time, guys, and until the next creation of this kit, I will see you then. Bye for now.